Hey there, financial enthusiasts and future wealth builders. Welcome back to The Growth Shelf. Are you ready to unlock the secrets to financial success? In this video, we're going to unravel the wisdom and secrets hidden within Robert Kiyosaki's best-selling book, Rich Dad, Poor Dad. But this isn't just another book summary. It's a blueprint for financial success. Now, you might be wondering why this book is such a big deal. Well, Rich Dad, Poor Dad isn't just a book. It's a life-changing guide that challenges conventional wisdom about money. It explores the stark differences in mindset and financial strategies between what Kiyosaki calls rich dads and poor dads. But why is this important? In a world where financial literacy is often overlooked, Rich Dad, Poor Dad serves as a beacon of knowledge, guiding us toward financial independence and wealth building. It's a book that can empower you to take control of your financial future and break free from the limitations of the traditional 9-to-5 grind. So, whether you're a seasoned investor, looking for a refresher, or someone who's just starting their journey to financial literacy, this book summary is going to provide you with valuable insights that can transform your relationship with money. But before we dive in, if you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our content. And if you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps us grow and reach more people. In Rich Dad, Poor Dad, Robert Kiyosaki paints a vivid contrast between his two father figures. His poor dad represents the traditional mindset, focused on formal education, job security, and living within one's means. On the other hand, his rich dad embodies a different philosophy. Rich Dad emphasizes financial education, investing, and creating assets to generate passive income. Understanding the differences between these two mindsets is crucial for anyone looking to navigate the world of finance effectively. One of the book's central themes is the importance of financial education. Kiyosaki argues that our formal education system often neglects to teach us about money, leaving many people financially illiterate. He believes that by learning about assets, liabilities, cash flow, and investing, individuals can make better financial decisions and create a more secure future. Kiyosaki introduces the fundamental concepts of assets and liabilities. Assets are things that put money in your pocket, such as rental properties or stocks, while liabilities are things that take money out of your pocket, like mortgages or car payments. Understanding the difference between these two is critical for building wealth. Kiyosaki advises acquiring income-generating assets and minimizing liabilities to achieve financial independence. The cash flow quadrant is another key concept in the book. It categorizes people into 4 groups: employees E, self-employed S, business owners B, and investors I. Kiyosaki explains that the wealthy often reside in the B and I quadrants because they focus on building businesses and investing, which provide them with passive income. Understanding which quadrant you're in and how to move toward the B and I quadrants is vital for financial success. Kiyosaki emphasizes the power of entrepreneurship as a pathway to financial freedom. He encourages readers to think beyond traditional employment and consider starting their own businesses or investments. Entrepreneurship, he believes, allows individuals to create their sources of income, control their financial futures, and potentially achieve the kind of financial success they desire. These key concepts and lessons from Rich Dad, Poor Dad provide a solid foundation for anyone looking to take control of their finances and work towards achieving financial independence. Assets are the building blocks of financial prosperity. They are resources that put money in your pocket or appreciate in value over time. Some common examples of assets include real estate properties that generate rental income, dividend-paying stocks, profitable businesses, or even intellectual property like patents and copyrights. These assets have the potential to grow and provide you with a steady stream of income. Liabilities, in contrast, are financial obligations or things that take money out of your pocket. Examples of liabilities include mortgages on properties, car loans, credit card debt, or any financial commitments that require regular payments. Liabilities decrease your net worth and can be a hindrance to building wealth. Here's a critical distinction: the wealthy prioritize acquiring income-generating assets, while others often find themselves accumulating liabilities. The wealthy understand that assets have the potential to grow and provide a steady stream of income, which ultimately contributes to their financial security and prosperity. In contrast, individuals who accumulate liabilities by financing a lavish lifestyle can quickly find themselves trapped in a cycle of debt and financial insecurity. The key takeaway here is that if you want to build wealth and achieve financial independence, you must shift your financial strategy towards acquiring income-producing assets while minimizing liabilities. It's not about how much you earn, it's about what you do with your earnings and how you allocate them toward assets that can work for you over time. This change in mindset is at the core of Rich Dad, Poor Dad, and it's a fundamental step toward securing your financial future. Robert Kiyosaki's cash flow quadrant is a powerful concept that categorizes individuals into 4 groups. E, employee. This quadrant represents those who work for others, trading their time and expertise for a paycheck. Employees typically have job security, but limited control over their income. S, self-employed. The S quadrant includes individuals who are self-employed or small business owners. While they enjoy more autonomy, they often find themselves working long hours and facing the challenges of business ownership. B, business owner. In this quadrant, individuals own businesses that can operate independently of their active involvement. Business owners have the potential to scale their income and enjoy more freedom, but building a successful business can be demanding. I, investor. The I quadrant represents investors who make their money work for them. They generate income from their investments, such as stocks, real estate, or other assets. Investors aim to create passive income streams. Each quadrant offers unique benefits and drawbacks. Employees enjoy job security, but may have limited control over their income. Self-employed individuals have more autonomy, but often work long hours and face business risks. Business owners can scale their income and enjoy more freedom, but may encounter challenges in building and managing a successful enterprise. Investors benefit from passive income, but need initial capital and financial knowledge. Rich Dad, Poor Dad places a significant emphasis on transitioning from the E and S quadrants to the B and I quadrants. Why? Because the B and I quadrants offer the greatest potential for financial independence and freedom. Business owners and investors can create multiple streams of passive income, providing a level of financial security that the E and S quadrants often cannot offer. While it may not be feasible or desirable for everyone to become a business owner or investor, understanding the cash flow quadrant and working toward the B and I quadrants can significantly impact your financial future. It's about diversifying your income sources and creating financial stability beyond traditional employment. This shift in mindset and action is a key takeaway from Rich Dad, Poor Dad, and it's a crucial step towards achieving financial autonomy and success. Entrepreneurship takes center stage in Rich Dad, Poor Dad because it represents a critical path to financial freedom. Robert Kiyosaki believes that entrepreneurship offers individuals the opportunity to break free from the limitations of traditional employment and to create their own financial destiny. By starting and owning a business, you gain greater control over your income and the potential for unlimited financial growth. Starting your own business can be a life-altering decision with several advantages. Financial independence. Entrepreneurship provides the potential to generate substantial income, allowing you to become financially self-sufficient. Flexibility. Business owners often have more control over their schedules and can balance work with personal life. Wealth creation. Successful businesses can appreciate in value and generate significant wealth for their owners. Fulfillment. Pursuing your passion and building something from the ground up can be incredibly rewarding. Legacy. Entrepreneurship allows you to leave a lasting legacy for your family and future generations. There are several misconceptions about entrepreneurship that Rich Dad, Poor Dad aims to debunk. High risk. While entrepreneurship does involve some risk, it's not inherently riskier than traditional employment. Kiyosaki argues that the lack of control over your financial future in the employee quadrant can be riskier in the long run. Requires vast capital. Starting a business doesn't always require massive capital. Many businesses can be launched with minimal investment, especially in today's digital age. Constant hard work. While hard work is essential, entrepreneurship doesn't necessarily mean working endless hours. Building systems and delegating tasks can create a more balanced work life. Guaranteed success. Entrepreneurship is not a guaranteed path to wealth, and many businesses fail. However, it offers the potential for success and financial freedom that can outweigh the risks. In summary, Rich Dad, Poor Dad advocates entrepreneurship as a key to financial success by challenging misconceptions and highlighting the rewards it can offer. It encourages a shift in mindset towards entrepreneurial thinking and action. Whether you're already an entrepreneur or considering this path, the wisdom within these pages can empower you to take control of your financial future and embark on a journey to lasting wealth. Rich Dad, Poor Dad is a treasure trove of practical wisdom. Here are some key takeaways. Track your finances. Start by tracking your income and expenses. Understanding where your money goes is the first step toward financial control. Differentiate assets and liabilities. Identify your assets and liabilities. Strive to acquire income-generating assets while minimizing liabilities. Invest in financial education. Continuously invest in your financial education. Read books, attend seminars, and seek out mentors who can help you expand your knowledge. Set clear financial goals. Define your financial goals, both short-term and long-term. Having a roadmap can help you stay focused on your financial journey. Start small. You don't need to make radical changes overnight. Start with small, manageable steps towards building your financial future. To put the principles of Rich Dad, Poor Dad into action, consider these steps. Educate yourself. Commit to ongoing financial education. Read books, follow financial blogs, and take courses to enhance your knowledge. Assess your finances. Take stock of your current financial situation. Identify your assets, liabilities, and cash flow. Set financial goals. Establish clear financial goals that align with your vision of financial independence and success. Budget and save. Create a budget to manage your expenses and increase your savings rate. Aim to save and invest a portion of your income regularly. Invest wisely. Research and explore investment opportunities that align with your financial goals. Diversify your investments for long-term growth. Start a side hustle. Consider launching a part-time business or side hustle to generate additional income streams. Network and seek mentorship. Connect with others who share your financial goals and seek mentorship from experienced individuals in your field of interest. While this video provides valuable insights from Rich Dad, Poor Dad, I highly recommend reading the book for a deeper understanding of these concepts. Robert Kiyosaki's storytelling and detailed examples bring these financial principles to life, offering even more inspiration and guidance on your journey to financial freedom. In summary, we've explored the transformative wisdom of Robert Kiyosaki's Rich Dad, Poor Dad. We've differentiated between the mindsets of the Rich Dad and Poor Dad, learned about assets and liabilities, delved into the cash flow quadrant, and understood the power of entrepreneurship. These key concepts offer a blueprint for achieving financial independence. Financial education is the cornerstone of your financial journey. Rich Dad, Poor Dad underscores the importance of learning about money, making informed financial decisions, and actively building wealth. Remember, you have the power to shape your financial destiny, and it all begins with knowledge and the willingness to take action. If you found this video helpful on your quest for financial literacy, please give it a thumbs up and share it with others who could benefit. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our wealth-building content. We love hearing from you, so please leave your thoughts and questions in the comments section below. Together, we can empower ourselves and others to achieve financial freedom. Thank you for joining us on The Growth Shelf. Until next time, keep growing and prospering.